No.
Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so this element is moving from transform origin. Okay, so you can right to top. Okay, right to top. Clear? So then we can change this one to right to bottom also. Okay, so this way we can transform, we can animate the HTML elements. Okay, so then these are the 2D functions. So next one we are having the 3D. So what is the difference between 2D and 3D? So same thing, we are having the three dimensionals. So we are having the 3D effects. So we have to provide the x-axis and z-axis and x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay, now you can see, so same thing. So HTML 54.html, sorry, 54.html. So here we are having the, so first one is the translate, right? First one is the, so we can take the, so another one, a square, a zero. So we are added here, right? We are added here. So this is a square zero. So then same one we are having, so square shape. So this is also a square 0. So for square 0, so we can add the transition. Okay. So square 0 over over. So then, so how we can add the transition 3D. So sorry, translate 3D. Translate, transform, translate. So here, so for 2D, so we didn't use anything. So for 3D, we have to use the 3D here. So 3D, so we can use the x-axis. Okay, so then y-axis, so then z-axis. Okay, we have to provide so three coordinates. So this is the H2 translate, so 3D. Okay, okay, so there is no difference, just we are having the, so basic minute difference is there. Okay, basic minute difference is there. So 100, so then 100, so this is, so we can use 250 pixel z axis. Okay, clear? So this is the translate 3D. So the next one is a rotate 3D. A rotate 3D. So where is rotate 3D? So here it is. So 3D. Okay, so just we have to mention 3D, and then so we have to give the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and degrees. How we can rotate this one? So 0, comma 1, comma so 0, comma 360 degrees. So where is the square one? Square one, or rotate 3D. Okay, so here is the rotate 3D. So 2D and 3D is having some difference. Did you observe that one? So 2D previously it is rotating clockwise direction. So now it is rotating globe direction. Alright. So now you can see. Alright. So this is the way. So if you can show nothing. So where is this one? So this is 54. So 52 already we changed it, right? Okay, no worries. Okay, so this is the rotate 3D. So the next one is so scale 3D. Scale 3D. Okay, so what is scale means? Scale means so zoom in and zoom out, right? So then here 3D also we are having the scale. Same thing. So just we have to use the 3D only. So then we can use the 3D. So where is the square? Square. This is the one. Scale 3D. 3D. So then we have to give the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, right? So x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. 3, right? So 1 comma, so 1 comma 2. So we are giving 3, right? So then you can see now what is this one? Scale 3D. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. So why? So we have to give the rotate also for this one. Okay. So rotate also for this one. It's a so skew 3D is the scale. Sorry, scale 3D is the combination of scale and rotate. Rotate 3D. So then we can give 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma so 360 degrees. Right. So what is happening? So this one, so we can increase this one. So this is 2 and this is also a 2. So 2, right? Now increasing, right? So previously we are giving only 1, so that's why it is not showing. Okay, so same effect. Now we are increasing. Now we are so double the width. Okay, so now you can see. If you won't give the rotate, so what will happen? Okay, so it looks normal as it is. It looks normal as it is 2D effect only. So now if you can give the rotate also. Okay. So this is the way. So we are CSS3 and HTML elements can support three. So these type of four animations. These type of four animations. So in 3D, so it will not support the skew function. It will not support the skew function. Okay. So these are the four function. So translate is nothing but move. So then rotate, then scale and skew. So these four properties can support the 2D. So then 3D can support the translate. So then scale and rotate. These three it can support. Okay. So the next one is the animation. So inside of these transforms we are having the some animation effects. Okay. So if you want to give the animation effects to the HTML element, so we can use the keyframe. We can use the keyframe. CSS animation property is used to define the animation on the element of the web page. So you can change as many as CSS properties you want, as many times you want, as many times so you want. Keyframes are used in defining the animation. So here in this CSS3 animation, keyframe is the important. So previous one is the transforms. Okay. So this one is the animation. The animation defines in the keyframe rule. Okay, so the animation defines in the keyframe rule. So previously what we are defining, instead of animation we are defining the transform. So same transform, same name we have to use here. We are using here in the transition property. So if you can change this one for suppose, so what is this one? So this one we can see. So this one, so we can see. Now you can see in the scale transform. So if you can change this 1 to 3, so but this scale is not working. So when you run the 53, so for which one we are applying? So square one. So first div, right? So this one won't work. Now you can see it won't work. So what is the name we are using here? So same name we have to use it. Okay, transform only we have to use it. See, okay. So then same way, so we are having the animation instead of transform, so we can use the keyframes. Okay. So then now, so the animation defines in the keyframe group, so it must be added with the selector, otherwise the animation will not work. Okay. So in the animation properties, so we are using, these are the below are the properties. So first one is the keyframe, second one is the animation. So after defining this one only, so we have to define these things: animation and animation delay, so then animation fill mode, so then animation iteration count. So how many times we want to iterate this one, that same animation, how many times. So animation play state, so if you want to pass that animation we can pass. So then animation name, so whatever keyframe we are using here, so same animation name we have to give it here. Okay. So then animation timing function, same way transition timing function, same way here also we are having the animation timing functions. Okay. So then we can see the simple example. We are having the four type of tests. Okay. Four type of tests. So one by one we can see. 55.html. So then removing all these things. Animation examples. So then I have So first I have 1D. First I have 1D. So this div I want to move. I want to move one place to another place. I want to move one place to another place, or I can change the color of this one. Okay. So then now you can. So this is the square one. So same thing. So div, so height, so 200 pixels, and width 200 pixels. So the next background color. All right. Okay. So the next one I have to define the keyframe. Have to define the keyframe. So this way we can define keyframes. Okay. So keyframe name for suppose example. Okay, so my keyframe name is example. So then inside of keyframe, so I can change the color of this anime. I can change the color of them. Okay, so from initial color is background color red, right? So this is my initial color. So then after completion of this animation too, so then I can change this background color to black. Okay, so then so this is my animation name, right? Animation name equal to example. So then next one, animation duration. Animation duration, how much time we have to complete this one? 4 seconds. So then same thing, we are having the animation animation delay. Okay, animation delay. So after 2 seconds it will start. Okay, so after 2 seconds it will start. Clear. So the next one, so we can see this one. So 55 dot is changing black color. Okay, now initial, so it is a red color. So initial it is a red color. So then now, so you can see it is automatically changing. Okay, so then so it is automatically changing. So when we applied this animation, so then we can apply this animation. So when we hover on it, so div colon hover, so then we can apply this. Okay, now you can see I'm hovering. Okay, after 2 seconds, so this animation is completed within 5 seconds. Okay, clear. So this is the basic animation. So then after that, we can move this div one place to another place. Okay, so one place to so another place. So this is from means so 0%. Okay, so when the div is in 0%, so we can change the background color red. So then so we can move this div to left also it is in 0 pixel position, and top also 0 pixel position. Okay, so the next one, so when it is so the animation is in 25%, so the background color is black. So then I am moving this div to 200 pixel left, 200 pixel left, and the top is same. So then when this one is in 50% animation, so 50% animation, so background color is green. So then left is 200 and the top is 200 pixel. So that means I am moving from top to down. So first I am moving 0 to 200 position, 200 position to left. So then to after moving the left, so then that div move to bottom. Okay, so then after 75%, it is moving to just 75%. Then so this color is orange. So then left is 0 pixel, left is 0 pixel, 0 pixel. So then 100%, 100%. So it is going back to the again a red color, red color. So then left 0 and top also 0. Okay. So then now see. So no need to write after hovering. So just so when we load this one, so I am applying the animation. Okay. So is this work? So now what we are doing here? So what we are doing here, we are moving the div from one place to another place. All right. So this one is, so we just change the background color. So but now we are moving this one place to another place. So if you want to move this one place to another place, if you want to move this one place to another place, we have to give the position. Okay, position or relative. Okay. So then now you can see happen. The keyframe example 4 and this happening. Yeah, delayed we are placing 2 seconds, right? So this is the way we can. So then we can increase this one to so 100% also 100%. Okay. So completely right. So then so top is 0. So then again completely 100%. So then top is so 400 pixel. So then top is 400. So then this is 0th position. Now you can see completely 100%. Okay. So we are having the iteration animation. So we are having in the initial, we are having the animation iteration count. Animation, where is this one? Iteration count. Okay. So how many times we have to animate this one? 2 times. Okay. So this way we can animate the divs. So the next we are what we are having run multiple times. So the run in the reverse direction we are having the animation reverse direction. Okay. So then now animation direction. Okay. Alternate. You see now. So the div is not showing. So then we can apply up to 90%. Okay. So that is the animation alternative. So alternative reverse means so it will start from here. Now it is starting this one from this position, right? Okay. So again after completion of this one animation, so then again it is coming to the alternative position. So then here alternative alternative reverse. Okay, so this is the animation. So final we have another example, animation speed. Animation speed. So if we are having multiple divs, so I'm creating another div, another example. So 56.html. Okay, so copying same thing. So now I have some multiple divs. Okay, so to see the timing functions, how much speed difference is having. Okay, so first suppose I have 4 divs. Uh, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 I have. Okay, so 5 divs. Okay, so this one, so for this div, so don't require this much. So just I am giving the 100 pixel. Sorry, I also not require that much. Just giving the 50 pixel, and this one is the 100 pixel. Okay, so then position is relative, so we are moving. So then animation example. So then animation duration, so 5 seconds, and animation delay is not required. Okay, so animation count not required. So this one also. Yeah, so this one also not required. Okay, so the next one, so we can apply the so this one keyframe we are defining from. So first one it is left, so 0 pixel. So then so 2, so then left I am moving, so 300 pixel. Okay, so then I can apply the animation function for each and every div. Square one. So first one, animation timing functions. See here we are having a difference. So majorly we can use linear. Okay. So then next one, square two. Square two we can use the is. So then square three we can use the is in. So the next one is out. So the next one, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So fifth one is in and out. Okay. So these are the 5 speed functions I have. So 56.html. See. Okay. So after completion of one, so then it is stopping. So animation iteration infinite. Animation duration. This one animation delay duration film iteration count infinite. Animation iteration count is infinite. Infinite. So it is keep on animating. Can give the 500 pixel, and we can give the time. So 6 seconds and okay. Now you can see. So one div is moving slow, one div is moving medium, one div is moving. So when it completes the animation time, so finally it is moving to the so left 500 pixel only. Okay. So these are the speed functions. We are having the multiple speed functions. So these are the speed functions we can use it. Okay. So these are the speed functions we can use it. Clear? So these are the animation functions. Okay. So animation and transform both the functions. Okay, clear? So tomorrow is the important class flex concept. Okay, so we are having another 2 or 3 classes, flex concepts and media queries in CSS. Those 2 concepts are pending. Okay, 2 are important. Clear? So if you have any doubts, you can ask me, or otherwise we can close. Okay, then fine. Thank you.